Hi everyone, I thought I would do this video because all the last dances have been my sister's solos since we have not done a duet in a while. So I thought I would do something else that I love, which is hair. So today I'm doing heatless dressing gown curls. All you'll need is a dressing gown belt, a brush and 4 bubbles. So yeah. I'm going to go get in my pyjamas because these clothes are not comfortable. Be back once I've done that. So I'm in my PJs and I took my hair out and my head feels so nice. So I forgot to say in the last clip that you will also need some water spray to spray hair to make sure it curls nicely. Sorry about that. So first you're going to grab your dressing gown curls. I already have bubbles on mine. Just take them off real quick and you're gonna choose your 4 bubbles. I like to choose skinny ones for the ends and thicker ones for the where you tie up in a bun. So I have these 2 bubbles to do the end. I'm gonna grab 2 scrunchies. This one I'm gonna go and get my other one. I'll be back. I'm back. I've got the other scrunchie. They're both purple because right now purple is my favorite color. I'm gonna grab my comb. I'm gonna split it down the middle. Make sure the top is the part in that you want your curls to be, so you have middle part and a side part or anything like that is not straight. I'm gonna do my part in and I'll be back. Okay, so I practically got it. Then the back doesn't have to be straight at all because you're gonna have your hair down with curls. So yeah. Then you're gonna grab your dressing gown, make sure those are even at the bottom and place it over your head like that. Then grab this section on any side and tie one side up, and I spray my hair. You don't have to spray your hair, I just feel like that it makes it more curly. That's cold. And then my brush, where did it go? Oh, here. And then brush it through. And then flip back over. And then you're going to start by grabbing a section like that. I'll brush mine. And then you're going to wrap that around the dressing gown like that. And then add some hair to it and wrap around. If you want tighter curls, make sure you pull tight. If you want looser curls, don't pull as tight because you'll have bouncy curls. If you pull tighter, well, my hair has bouncy curls if I pull tighter anyway. Might just be my hair, but. And then just keep doing that. Add in sections. Like so. I'm using very big sections. Guys, it might take you a couple of tries because it takes me a few tries, but that's fine because 'cause. 'Cause we'll get there. to go back so it stays tight the whole way round. Obviously, if you don't want it tight, then do it a bit looser. Okay, so once you've reached and you have no sections left and you're on your last section, twist it round like so, and then keep twisting the same chunk of hair and wrap it around the dressing gown like that, and grab your bubble and tie it off. And then this is an optional step. You don't have to do this, but I personally like it because it stays tighter. So twist it and wrap them into little buns. This is why you need 4 bobbles so you can do buns, but you don't have to do buns even. So now you've got a little bun. Don't do it too tight because you won't be able to sleep because it will hurt your head. So yeah, I do that and then I grab my mousse. It's holding all my scrunchies right now. But give it a shake. Oh, that was a bit runny there, but didn't shake it enough, that's why. Yeah, I grabbed, that was a lot. And do here. Oh, wait. I'll be back once I've moussed it. Okay, so you have to take it out to mousse it. So then the curls are good. And then twist it again and wrap it round into a bun. It's okay if they don't look nice because it will look nice in the morning. And tie it back into a bun. And then there is the first one. So that's all you have to do. Simple as that. I'm going to come back when I'm finished with this one. Okay, so they're both finished. And I will see you, wait, let me show you like a little 360. I hope you can see that because I can't see, but yeah, this is really annoying. It has a big bump in it. But anyway, I will see you guys in the morning when I take these bad boys out. So it is the morning and time to take these out. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, that feels so nice taking this bun out because I did it a bit too tight. Okay. You know that noise? That was just my sister. If you could hear it. Might not have been able to hear it. It's harder to take out than put in because it knots. But as you can see, super curly. Nice. Here are the curls. Super nice and bouncy. But now I'm going to grab my oil. I'm not going to use my Aussie one because that one is expensive. And I'm just gonna take this one out and then we're gonna do the oil because you know we have to do oil on either side. So okay, then we start unraveling and see the curls. This one is curlier than the other side, but oh well. Oops. Ow. But, so here's how they turned out. Super curly and bouncy. But I'm gonna oil them. You don't have to do this, it just gets rid of all the wispy bits. So what I do is grab my oil, rub it, and then twist the bit like that, and then it's less pressy. Just do that on each curl and add the little wispy bits into different types of curls. Not all gonna be perfect curls because they're heatless, but it works quite nicely. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish oiling them, but I do have dance today, so I'm gonna have to tie my hair up into like a ponytail or something like that. So I'm gonna go finish oiling them. Okay, so now I've done that, I'm gonna go get ready and tie it up, but super cool and super bouncy. They usually work out better than this. I just think it's because I did bigger chunks. But yeah, beware, it does make your hair a lot shorter because they go curls. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready. Be back. Okay, so I'm all ready. I didn't need to brush my teeth in that, but the curls are in a little ponytail at the back. So yeah, I will see you guys when we post a new video. I'm not sure when, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye!